there's a place somewhere nearby, amongst the flowers and the morning dew. It's a secret paradise. Everybody's waiting just for you. Yes, here comes my other bee, with the greatest friends that you ever see. Yes, here comes my other bee, with a brand new story just for you and me. Yes, here comes my other bee, with a brand new story just for you and me.
Willie? Sorry, Maya, but I don't want Miss Cassandra to find me. Our whole class has to ventilate the hive.
Okay, everyone. Now be sure to beat your wings all together.
In this heat, I prefer to take a nap. It's cooler here.
Help! Help!
See, I told you, Doze. This big slug stuck to the ground. He can't do a thing about it.
Hey, Dogs! Where's my water? I'm thirsty!
Come on, Doze, we better go.
Slink, are you all right?
Oh, Maya. Yes, I'm fine. It's just that I can't move any further.
I'm not surprised. A big thing like that? He's too heavy.
I didn't find enough water last night, and now it's hot. I can't make any more slime.
Aw, yuck! More slime?
Yes, I need slime to move. Without it, I'm stuck, and I might dry out in the sun.
Don't worry, we'll help you to get into the shade. Huh? Oh, you're not like us. You're all soft. That's funny.
Well, I'm not an insect. I'm a mollusk. You won't be able to move me on your own. I'm too heavy.
Step aside. I'm pretty strong, but Slink is, well...
You're right, Uncle Kurt. He weighs at least 1,000 dung balls.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm much too heavy. If only I didn't eat so much. I love mushrooms. Oh, I could eat tons. When I see one, I have to nibble it.
But that doesn't matter, Slink. All slugs like to eat. Well, I'm going back to my nap. Maybe Slink will be easier to push if he loses a bit of weight. Willie? He'll dry out if he stays there. Don't worry, Slink. We'll think of something. And I left the hive to do this.
Oh, sorry, Willie, but do you think you could fan my neck a bit too? And my back, and oh, my tail as well. Oh!
There's an awful lot to fan. Try to resist when you see a mushroom.
Hey, I'm giving you a lot of work, aren't I?
Don't mention that word. Things are bad enough as it is. Willie, be careful. Here, you'll feel better with this.
Thank you, Maya. But the best thing would be if I could get into the shade over there. But with no slime.
If we bring you something to drink, could you make some slime? Slow down, Maya. It's too hot. Aw, Slink could have run out of slime nearer to the pond. We'll never be able to bring him enough water. It's too heavy.
Oh, you're right. If only we could have a thunderstorm. Maybe we'll be able to find some water there. Dees and does! Ah! Oh, they found some water. Come on, Willie. We've got to follow them, but they can't see us. We'll stay far behind. No! Oh!
Huh?
Phew! I think we should maybe stay even further behind.
I think we're being followed.
It's just a stag beetle. Who'd be crazy enough to follow you anyway?
Oh! Excuse me. I'm looking for some water. You haven't seen any, have you?
Everybody's looking for water in this heat. Shh! Now go on, buzz off.
Well, he's not a very friendly beetle. Oh, and now I've lost the wasps. Come on, Willie. We've got to find them. Willie? Water! Great! We'll be able to give Slink a drink.
What if Dees and Does come?
Willie, just hurry and fill that up.
Well, look at that, Doze. Little water thieves.
Hey, normally it's us that do the stealing.
But this water is for everybody.
No. This is our boss Stinger's water. If you want some, you gotta bring us some honey.
Yeah, lots and lots of honey.
But that's stealing!
All right, we agree.
Maya!
Come on, Willie. They're the strongest. We'll give them what they want.
It's just too easy.
Dees! Does! Over here! We've got your honey, but it's too heavy.
Weak little bees.
Yeah, too heavy.
Where are you, little bee?
Here I am.
You just wait till I catch you.
Quick, Slink's water.
Help! Get me out of here, you blockhead!
Try to move now. He needs more water. Come on.
The wasps! They've gotten free!
Then quick.
Now I've got you, my little bee.
Hi there.
There! Take that!
to the ground, slug? Before I deal with you, I feel like a bit of bouncing.
Leave my alone or else. I can move! Hey!
We did it! Way to go, Slink! You scared them off thanks to your size and your strength.
Did I? So I'm not just a big slimy thing then?
Well, you may be big and soft, but you are really strong.
Where's my water? You haven't got it. I want some water!
You're gonna get some, boss. Everyone take cover!
Oh, that is great! The good weather is over!
A slug too warm needs a good storm, but for a wasp, it's a pain to be out in the rain.
Don't move. A couple of drips like you shouldn't worry about a bit of water.